Imagine a monument standing tall for over 4,500 years, defying the test of time, weathering countless storms, and yet still leaving us awestruck. That's the Great Pyramid of Giza, a structure so mysterious that its construction methods remain one of the greatest enigmas of human history. Let's dive straight into the fascinating story of how this colossal wonder was built, without modern technology, cranes, or even the wheel. The Great Pyramid, built around 2560 BC during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu, towers at 147 meters. At its peak, it was the tallest structure in the world for over 4,000 years. But here's the twist. This monumental marvel was constructed using 2.5-ton limestone blocks, some weighing up to 80 tons. So, how did the ancient Egyptians achieve this feat? Let's unravel the theories. First, the materials. Most of the limestone came from nearby quarries, while granite blocks, used for the inner chambers, were transported from Aswan, 800 kilometers away. Without wheels, how did they move these massive stones? The most plausible explanation lies in ingenious engineering. They likely used sledges pulled over wet sand. Recent experiments have shown that adding just the right amount of water reduces friction, making it easier to drag heavy loads. This theory is supported by artwork from the tomb of Jehuti-Hotep, where a man is seen pouring water in front of a sledge. A simple yet effective technique that shows just how innovative they were. But transporting the stones was just the beginning. The real challenge was stacking them to form a 147-meter-tall structure. Archaeologists suggest that long ramps were built to haul the stones upward. These ramps, made of mud brick and wooden supports, allowed workers to pull stones using ropes. Another theory involves levers. Using a fulcrum system, workers could lift and position heavy blocks with precision. Once the structure was complete, it was covered with a gleaming layer of white limestone. Imagine this pyramid shining brilliantly under the Egyptian sun, a sight to behold. And here's another mystery, the pyramid's alignment. Its sides point almost perfectly to the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. How did they achieve this without compasses? Some researchers believe they used the shadows of the autumn equinox or even the stars to guide their design. The Great Pyramid of Giza remains a masterpiece of ancient ingenuity. It's a testament to human creativity, innovation, and determination. The Great Pyramid of Giza is not just an architectural wonder, it's a puzzle. Even after decades of research, how this 6 million-ton monument was built in just 20 years remains one of history's biggest mysteries. Let's delve deeper into the construction process, address the misconceptions, and explore some of the most compelling theories. First, let's clear up a common myth. The pyramids were not built by slaves. Contrary to what films and old texts suggest, recent evidence shows the workforce consisted of skilled laborers. They were well-fed, well-cared for, and lived in nearby settlements. In fact, during farming off-seasons, regular citizens joined the effort, turning this into a national project. It's estimated that 20,000 to 30,000 people worked daily, moving and placing massive stones at a pace of 1 every 3 minutes. But how were these enormous stones cut and carved so precisely? At the time, copper tools were common. However, for tougher materials like granite, dolerite, a harder stone was used to break them apart. Ingenious techniques like soaking wooden wedges in water to crack rocks were also employed. To transport these blocks, workers likely used sledges. But without wheels, the process required innovation. A 2014 study showed that pouring water on sand reduced friction, making it much easier to drag these immense stones across the desert. Once at the construction site, ramps were the key to stacking the stones. One theory suggests long, straight ramps extended from the ground to the top of the pyramid. Another proposes spiral ramps wrapped around the structure. Some even believe smaller ramps were built on each level and dismantled as construction progressed. Levers might have been used to lift heavy blocks, similar to the shadow system Egyptians used to draw water. This simple mechanism demonstrates their ingenuity. But building a structure this massive in just 20 years? Even with advanced methods, the speed required seems almost impossible. This challenge has inspired wild theories. Some say aliens built it, others claim it was a power plant. These ideas, while entertaining, lack evidence and logic. One proven marvel is the mortar used in construction. Its unique formula has kept the pyramid stable for thousands of years, even through earthquakes. Scientists still can't recreate it. Originally, the pyramid shone with polished white limestone, reflecting sunlight brilliantly. Today, only fragments of that outer layer remain. Its design is equally astonishing, aligning almost perfectly with cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. How did they achieve such precision without modern tools? Theories suggest they used the autumn equinox or celestial patterns, like Orion's belt. Regardless of the method, their astronomical knowledge was remarkable. The Great Pyramid of Giza is a timeless symbol of human ambition and brilliance. Its mysteries continue to inspire awe, proving what determination and ingenuity can achieve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing stories from history.